What's up, traders? So let's do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis of euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you have seen that euro dollar is doing exactly according to the analysis. We have seen a nice looking short trade from here as well as one from here. Now what we can expect at this point, as you can see, euro dollar is going up for a retracement. So where we can expect another trade on euro dollar. So to do that, let's first look at again bigger picture to see overall direction in the market. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar. Now starting with monthly, as usual in all my analysis you have seen that, because you need to look at always the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. Now what you see that euro dollar, the past month has created this middleman. You can see that there's a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. That's a perfect trading candle on the monthly perspective. Now we are not going to enter a trade on the monthly, but we are looking at the general direction in the market. Now you can see that this is the monthly candle that has tested this previous support as resistance. As we have mentioned in quite a few analysis, this support tested as resistance. Now we see that euro dollar, now after closing of this candle, the sellers selling the market, and it is doing exactly as it is at this point where we can enter another short trade. Let's look at weekly perspective to see what's happening in the market. Now on the weekly we have seen a doji with a gap opening. It's still not done yet, but what I think that euro dollar might create a narrow candle on the weekly, keeping this weekly gap opening as a as an intact gap. Probably we'll see a doji to the downside. To do that, we could see some back and forth on euro dollar. As there is a gap opening, we could see potentially some drop from this gap. As you see on the weekly, every week the price is still creating series of lower high. So now let's look at daily what's happening now. Last day of trading week, you see that there is a nice looking bearish candle. This candle has a lower high on the daily perspective. The price action is very clear on the daily rather than in any other time frame. Why? Because first of all, you see there is a gap opening. This is the first day of trading week with this doji, followed by yesterday we have seen liquidity gap. We have seen the breakout of the previous day's high, went to this important level of resistance. This support test has resistance with this long wick daily candle, and we have seen that this candle closed with a full doji. It's another middleman with a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom, and this candle is also a bearish candle. Now today, once the market open as expected, now the price is going up, and what you could see, if you see that there is a pattern here on the daily perspective. Let's look at on the 4 hour time frame that to see what's happening on euro dollar. Now you see that on the 4 hour we see nice looking channel. First of all, let's look at this one here. What we have seen that euro dollar was moving along this channel as a retracement for this move, and we have seen with that big drop, euro dollar has broken out of this channel and then tested this support of this channel as a resistance and closed with a long bearish engulfer. Now with that closing of this long bearish engulfer, we have seen that euro dollar open with a gap. Now it is trying to create another channel. As you know, the market always move in a certain way. So we see that euro dollar now creating a nice looking downward channel. If we draw this support and resistance of this channel, we see that this is the channel. Now the euro dollar is coming down. As we have seen, we identified this channel and we have successfully closed a trade from here. Now what I think that what it might do, as you can see, euro dollar is going up, giving us probably another shorting opportunity. Why? Because this is the resistance of this channel, this is the resistance of this channel, resistance here. Now you see that on that rejection from here with this pin bar, euro dollar has left a gap here which has not been tested. So what I think, either euro dollar is likely to test this zone. This is also a very important level of support, now acting with this green candle, support here with this gap opening. And also you see in the past this level acted here, support here as well. We could see with this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame, euro dollar could test this moving average and could test this previous support zone as a resistance, or even we could see a breakout from here, test this trend line, this resistance here again, creating another lower high, and could see potentially euro dollar is coming down from here or coming down from here based on price action confirmation. Wherever we will see potential shorting opportunity, we'll consider shorting euro dollar again from this zone according to the rules of our strategies with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.